One example of how we've used Creaform technology has been on a specific part of the boat, the bobstay fairing. This part of the boat was made off a mold but had hand shaping, so it doesn't fit the CAD. We need to make a part that fits into this cavity, and we could make a blank and sand it and fit it and sand it and fit it and sand it and fit it, or 3D scan the cavity and 3D print a component to fit. We did a cool second step this time where we did a little bit of trimming and fitting, adapted the 3D printed part to be perfect, scanned it again, and then implemented those changes in the final 3D printed part. So we did this neat back and forth between the computer, physical 3D printed parts, the scanner, back to the computer, and to a finalized perfect part. It would be hard to imagine doing this campaign without Creaform and Stratasys. Their pairing in terms of 3D printing and 3D scanning has been invaluable. They work together really well, and without 3D printing there would be probably hundreds of man hours, and without 3D scanning there would be additional man hours just to make the 3D printed parts fit properly. So it's been really invaluable for our team.